welcome back to my channel, Crafty Mommy of 2. So today we are doing a lot of planting. We have some pumpkins, brassicas, some greens, herbs. What else do we have in here? Some more root veggies, like our radishes and turnips, and our carrots. I'm not sure what else we're going to do, but we're going to start in this bed and that bed and get our brassicas and greens planted in here for the summer, and then we'll see where we go from there. Alright, I'm going to start with some of the dwarf blue kale. I just tape it on the back with some painter's tape. I planted a few of these starting as seedlings in the other garden, and I wanted to make sure we were going to like them before I start planting more of them, and they do. So I'm going to do an entire row of those. We love this craft toy. Pack this down so that it has nice coverage with the soil. Pack the toy here. When I'm doing greens, I don't usually worry about closeness to each other because they're going to get eaten, and if they're too close, we'll just pull them up before we eat them instead of just cutting it off. There is a lettuce blend that I might do next. I haven't tried this one yet. For the most part, all of these are germinating 7 to 10 days, so we should start seeing seedlings pop up in the next week or so. Open this up. We're going to get a lot of rain in the next few days, and I don't want it to wash out. The last one was the dwarf spinach, or paling, that we planted on the other side. This one's just going to be some normal green spinach. Giant noble is what it says. I do some dinosaur tail, I think. chard, and some winter choy. And then along there, I'm going to do cabbages and broccoli.